I think that manufacturers should know just how integral a part they are. They weren't producing products that people wanted to buy. We would not have the funding we have if we did not have an excise tax.
The key takeaway that on the wildlife restoration funding model is it provides opportunity for state agencies to actually build capacity and improve with technology, improve with research. Improves our service, improves our support not only to the public but to our field staff.
I think the amazing thing about the Wildlife Restoration Act is the consistent, dedicated funding that states rely on and have been able to rely on, knowing that these funds are there to help with wildlife and sport fish is, I think, really critical for us across the country.
Without the PR funds, we would never be able to have a program at this level. And these funds have also allowed us to hire under contract extra staff. We have a wildlife veterinarian on staff, a wildlife disease ecologist, 2 wildlife pathologists at our disposal, and that's been instrumental in helping develop this program and getting it where it is today as probably one of the best wildlife health programs in the country.
It also helps with not only the day-to-day maintenance and running of the lab, but keeping these programs running. So we wouldn't be able to do a lot of the disease surveillance that we do. Without these funds, we wouldn't be able to maintain these programs.
The goal of our facility is to monitor the health of all wildlife in the state and to monitor for emerging diseases. These funds help us to do everything. I mean, they pay for our building, they pay for our positions, they pay for all our equipment and our testing supplies.
Everything that we collect, we are putting that right back into population models to keep a better pulse on the populations. And so part of that is, I just feel like that data is critical.
These funds mean everything to our agency. They support our activities, everything from land acquisition to managing habitats to conducting research that drives management activities and science-based wildlife management. So it's really a symbiotic relationship between the wildlife agencies and the manufacturers.
It's just always good to be able to partner with those different agencies and just spend time together, create that relationship for them to know a little bit about what we do. We get to learn a little bit about what they do, that we know we're all on the same side. We're all working towards the same goal. We all want the same things.
It's just knowing that I'm investing dollars in conservation, create an opportunity for people to go out and use our products. So that's kind of the circle you get there.
A lot of the work that's done with these dollars is not up in lights for everybody to see, but that doesn't make it any less critical. It's going on, it's the behind the scenes stuff that might not be the most glamorous, but is the most important for really giving us the information we need to continue to protect the North American wildlife model.
The most important thing that people need to know about this act is that whether they're buying a shotgun or shotgun shells or a tiny little hook, every one of those purchases contributes to the success of fish and wildlife management in this country.